Okay, so now we have successfully connected our form to this button. So when you publish or when I publish this website and someone clicks this button that says click here to contact us, the person will be able to fill out the form and submit to me. Okay, so now the link to the form has been connected to this button. If you want to edit the link or if you want to edit this text, click here to contact us. You just have to double click this button. Okay, this button you just have to double click. So now I am double clicking, so double click. Okay, and it will appear the name. You can edit it, and then this is the link. Okay, so if you want to link your website to a different website like YouTube or Facebook, you can use the button. You can insert a button, and then the name, you can, instead of this one, you can say Facebook, and then instead of this link, you can say facebook.com. Okay, or you can say, instead of click here to contact us, you can say click here to visit YouTube, or you can say YouTube, connect to YouTube, and then here you make it www.youtube.com. Okay, so if you want to, when you add a link to a button, okay, when you insert a button and you connect it to a link, if you want to edit the button and the link, or the name and the link, you can double click the button like this, and then you edit the name that appears and then the link itself. Okay, all right, so now this one you can delete. If you want to delete this button, you click on it and then you click delete. You remove, you can use this remove. Okay, or let me bring it back, go to undo. Okay, or you use this delete section. Okay, it will go. Okay, now let me undo and bring it back. Okay, now, so now let me delete this contact us. Okay, I delete. Now let me expand the button so that it looks nice. Okay, like this. So click here to contact us. When I publish, someone can click on this and then contact me. Okay, now you can also put the contacts link at the footer side. Okay, so just come to the footer, edit footer, you click edit footer, then you say contact 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 us. Okay, contact us. Okay, so after typing contact us, then you select. Okay, then you use this. It says insert link. Okay, so you click on that, you highlight. After highlighting or selecting contact us, you make sure you select. So you select it like this, then you click on this insert link, you click. Okay, so the text to display is contact us. Okay, and then you put the link here. So you can go to I can go to my website folder, and then I open my contact form. Okay, then I come here. I have published it, so I have already published it, so I click here, and then I say copy responder link, and then shorten link, or shorten URL, then I copy, then I click save. Okay, then I close the contact form, I go to my website, then I paste the link. Then I say apply. Okay, so this is also a link. Okay, so after publishing, someone can either click on that link that says contact us on the footer, or use you can, or by using this button. Okay, all right, so let me preview. Okay, and then let me scroll to the bottom. So hence someone can send me a message by using this button or this. Okay, by using this and this, I have connected the form, the contact form to this button, and then I have also connected the contact form to this link. Okay, so clicking here or here, the same, it opens the contact form. Okay, now let me close the preview. All right, so now let's look at how to work with layouts. Okay, so I want to insert a layout below the contact us, this one. So that I click this one, then I scroll to the bottom. The layout can also be found under the insert tab. Okay, so this is one type of layout. This is another type of layout. This is another type of layout. This one, this one, this one. Okay, so this one, let me select this one first. So this one is, let me select this one. Okay, so when you insert like this, you can click here to add an image, and then you click here to add, to type something. Okay, so now let me click the plus, and then I say upload. Okay, I have picture on my desktop, so now let me use this one, then open. Okay, and then I can say anything, whatever that I want. Okay, I can say services. Okay, okay, and then I can also type whatever I want. This is one of my services. Okay, okay, so services, this is one of my services. And then if it is a product, you add the image of the product, then you type the name of the product here. Okay, let me do that one. So let's say this one is HP laptop. Okay, HP laptop. Okay, so if I want, if let's say this is the image of the HP laptop, and this is the title, okay, of the image that is describing the image. Okay, and I want the person to contact me, so I can say buy now. Okay, buy now. Okay, I can say buy now, then I select, and then I make it a link, then you connect it to your contact form. Okay, so I have already copied the link, so let me paste. This is the link of the contact form. Okay, then I go apply. So HP laptop, if the person clicks buy now, the contact form will open, and then the person can fill the form and then submit. Okay, now you can also add another layout. So you can click here, and then another layout will come, and this time you can insert one image here, and then text, the title here, and then another text to explain further. Here you can click and add an image, and then title, then you add a text or link. Okay, to delete this layout, you click delete like this. Okay, if you want to delete this one, delete. Okay, you can also use this one. Okay, and here you can insert 3 images. One image here, you click here to add one image, here another image, and then here another image. So now let me delete this one. Okay, and use this one. Okay, so let me add one image here. Okay, let me use this first image. Okay, let me add another image. Okay, so I can see image 1, and then this one I can see image 2. Okay, all right, and I can add any text here, but I don't want the text, so let me leave it like that. Okay, all right. So now this is the home page of my website, Paul Business Center. Okay, okay. So I can also add another page. Okay, to add another page, I click the pages tab. Okay, this is the pages tab, so I click pages. Then this is the home page. The home page is the one that I have created, the first page, like this one is the first page, which is the home page by default. Okay, so after clicking the pages tab, then you look at the bottom. You see the bottom here, you find this plus sign, so you put the cursor on the plus sign. You see new menu section, full page, embed, new link, and then new page. Then you select new page. Okay, you select new page. Okay, so you have, when you put the cursor on the plus, you see new section, full page, embed, new link, new page. Then you click on this one, the one that include the plus, new page. Okay, so I click that. Then it says the name of the page, so I will say about. I can say about us. Okay, let's say about us, and then I say done. Okay, so here too I can insert image, the background. I can insert a background image. If I don't want an image, then I maintain it. Okay, so now let me add image. Okay, let me use the first one for you to see. Okay, about us. Okay, now after creating the page, you see it will appear at the bottom of the home page. Okay, or below the home page. So you can use the scroll bar. Then okay, the content on this page is not much, so you can maintain it. Okay, so the home page and then the about us page. Okay, so if I want to add content to this about us page, then I go to insert, and then I scroll up, and then text box. So I can say about us. I can say Paul Business Center is an IT service provider. Okay, like this. Okay. It's an IT service provider. I can center it. I'll leave it like that. Okay, so let me make it small, lower cases. So Paul Business Center is an online IT service provider. Okay, Paul Business Center is an online IT service provider. Then you add whatever information that you want, and this is the about section or the about page. So this page, you have to provide information about your business. Okay, you can insert images, you can insert layouts, you can scroll to the bottom, you can insert button. Okay, and connect it to a link. You can insert maps, you can insert YouTube video. Okay, all right. So now this is the about page. Okay, Now I can create another page. I can go to pages tab and then create another page. I click this icon or this symbol and call it services. Services. Okay, then I click done. Okay, so these services I will list all my available services or the services that I offer on this page. Okay, so if I want to return to the home page and edit the content, then I click this home, this. So I click, then the home page will appear. If I want to edit the about us page, then I click this. Then I edit the content or add the content. If I want to go to services, I click services and then add contents. Okay, if I want to go to the home page, then I click home. Then I edit the content or add the content. Okay, so now if I want to edit, if I want to delete or rename a page, I click the pages tab. Then let's say services. Okay, let's say services. I want to delete or rename. As soon as I put the cursor on services, you will see these three dots at the right side. Okay, then you click. So now I click these three dots. Okay, and then it will say delete. If I select delete, it will be deleted. Okay, so now let me delete it, and it is gone. Okay, now let me add it again. Okay, services. Okay, services. Okay, okay, then I add the image to the background. Okay, all right. So now to rename it, I just have to double click on the name. So as soon as I double click, it will be selected or highlighted. Then I begin to type any name. Let's say our services. Okay, like this. Then I press enter, and then it has been renamed. If I want to change the name again, I double click, and then let me call it services. Then I press enter. Okay, but if I want to delete, I click the three dots. Okay, then I select delete. Okay, all right. Now let me go to the about page, or let's say the home page. All right, so now this is the home page. If I publish this website, this is the home, this will be the home page, and then the about page, and then the services. Okay, so in the next video we will look at how to publish the website.